This is SMS 7201 North Center, Tampa. And basically I am in the front of the house. And I went in from a clean out that's right here in front of the house. It's cast iron. And if you see right here, if you look up over into that left corner of the videotape, you can see the PVC. I can't get around right here. If you look right here, I cannot get around that. They've done something here, and it actually looks like maybe concreted it into that PVC over there, but I can't tell. Now there is another clean out on the side yard I will be going through for the second video. So if you come back this way, really the cast iron does not look bad at all. It's not in real bad shape. It actually looks pretty good. And that's it right there. It takes a 45 right here, but it all looks, the cast iron is not in bad shape at all. And what I'll explain here is, right here, there's your clean out right there. This is the front of the house. And now I'm going to go back up into the house, make sure nothing's wrong there. Yeah, this all looks good. And there goes the vent, and that to the left probably goes to their back bathroom. That's a vent right here. And that's it for that one, and then I'll record the side of the house. Okay, we're in the side yard now, and I'm in the clean out in the side yard. Now this is the main sewer line. So there's been a lot of piecing in on this. So I am back where I ended my other video, where I could not get through. So you can see right here, this, I've never seen this. It looks like to me that somebody actually tried to concrete this in. And then it goes to PVC, and right here to your right, that is for the master bath. It was an addition onto the house, so they just tied this PVC into the line. Then it goes back to cast. Now this cast comes all the way out here, and this cast is in bad shape. That, I could not even jet that out. And then it runs, I'll show you here. Parts of it is okay, but a lot of it is really bad. Right here, I have no idea. Yeah, this pipe is. And then right here, it goes into a belly, and I think right here is where their backup is occurring. Right through here. I mean, you can see what I mean? The pipe is just completely destroyed here. Trying to keep the camera clean. And then there's another spot. Right there's another bad spot. And I'm not positive, but this could possibly, see there's stuff stuck on the side that I have no idea what that is. Right here, it's PVC right here at this clean out. And there's the clean out. Okay, I'm going to try to get the camera to go out to the city. Okay, this is going back out to the city, which it doesn't look bad. This looks like just clay tile. So it's good clay tile out to here. And then boom, pops into the city main. So that's the city's main right there. So from this clean out on out, it looks good. So I'm just going to bring this back real quick. And just to explain, right here's a clean out. Right here's the side of the house right there. And that's the street out there. And that is all. Thank you.